After 6 weeks of shocking claims and lurid, personal details, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's U.S. defamation trial ended on Friday. Following closing arguments from both sides, it is now up to the jury to decide who will come out victorious, with millions on the line and both stars' reputations. With a decision not expected now until at least Tuesday, we have taken a look at all the possible outcomes. But first, to recap, Depp is suing Heard for defamation over a Washington Post op-ed she wrote about the alleged domestic violence she suffered, although she did not name her ex-husband. He is demanding more than £38 million, saying her domestic abuse claims have all but ended his career and ruined his reputation. Depp denies ever physically or sexually assaulting Heard, claiming he himself is a victim of domestic violence at her hands. The Aquaman actress has filed a countersuit against Depp, seeking almost £78 million in damages and saying a former attorney of Depp, Adam Waldman, falsely accused her of fabricating claims against the actor. Who pays who? There are several options open to the jury, David Banks, media law expert and consultant, explains. Firstly, they could rule in Depp's favor, and award him damages of a sum up to $50 million, £38 million, the amount Depp is suing Heard for. But what if Heard can't pay Depp the costly sum? Well, then you get into all sorts of issues, negotiations over how it's going to be paid over time. People do go bankrupt. There's not many people who have that sort of cash just sitting around, David said. Secondly, if the jury sides with Heard on her counterclaim, they could award her damages up to $100 million, £78, the sum she is suing the Pirates of the Caribbean actor for. Or, the jury could, while still ruling on a victor, decide not to award damages to either of them. In terms of the damages they award, it's in their hands, David added. What if the jury can't reach a decision? The 7 jurors have to reach a unanimous decision, and if they don't, then it's a mistrial, and it's up to the parties to pursue a retrial. Can Depp or Heard appeal the decision? David thinks it's likely that whoever loses the legal battle, they will appeal the decision. I suspect there will be an appeal, so much is at stake, the reputations and careers of 2 big film stars, he said. Speaking about Depp, he said, "This is very damaging to reputation and his marketability. So I would be surprised if the jury rules against him that he would leave it at that." He adds that Heard might be particularly keen to pursue an appeal, given that Johnny lost his case against News Group newspaper in 2020 after claiming the Sun had falsely labeled him a wife-beater. David goes on, neither side is backing down. They are almost too far along the road to accept the verdict they get this time. One thing is for certain though, it's a bonanza for the lawyers. Could either side be forced to issue an apology to the other? David said an apology from Depp or Heard could be a long way off, as he believes both sides will likely appeal. He adds though that an apology could be part of a negotiated settlement, after the possible appeal.